Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is me Pooja. Today I'm going to talk about something very important. So I want to ask you, have you ever been pinned down by, betrayed by or gossiped by some other women? So this video is all about how women should empower each other, lift each other up and stop doing any of the things I just mentioned. So it has been happening and it still happens. It happens in school, in colleges, in your workplace, and also if you're not working at your home. So it has been happening a lot lately because of social media, and it is coming into notice a lot because everything that happened can be shared by anyone. So I'm going to share an instance of my own self. Well, I'm a housewife. I rarely go out. So I do things that makes me happy, like I love dancing, I love to make Instagram reels, I make YouTube videos, I write also. That makes me very happy. So I do small things that makes me happy and that keeps me busy and engaging all the time. But I just don't understand, if I'm doing something at my own house without hurting anybody's sentiments, people have a problem in that. I just don't understand that thing. People say because I have a weight, so I cannot dance. I shouldn't dance, in fact, according to them, because it doesn't look good on me and my dance is very showy, according to them. So, well, this is just an instance. I can tell you a lot more. You know, people even point out on your acne. They discuss women's acne also. This is so pathetic, I tell you. So according to me, every girl is beautiful because everybody is made by God only, na? I just don't understand why people are so much into others' life. They have a problem in everything. They have a problem if a woman applies makeup. They have a problem if a woman is at home, or is she going out? She's going out for work or to make her career. So they says ki she's not sanskari because she's not taking care of her kids. I just don't understand. Well, this is sheer nonsense. So tell me why this happens. Maybe this happens because of insecurity or jealousy, because they are envious. I don't know. I mean, they are the only things that can be the reason behind putting other women down or bitching behind other women. Well, I'm going to tell you that this never happens among men, because man doesn't compare or compete like women's. Well, this comes from how have you been brought up or where you come from. So if you have always been encouraged to do something great or lived in an environment, a positive one, where you've always been pushed up, so you tend to push other people also. But if you have always been oppressed or have been restricted of doing many things, so you tend to do the same to other people. But this is very wrong, because if something wrong has happened to you, that does not mean you will do the same to other people also. In fact, we should push each other up, appreciate each other, talk to each other, build a healthy environment so other can also take lessons in a positive way. So in the end, I just want to say that women, please stop doing any of these things, all the negative things I mentioned. Please stop doing all these things and trust each other, appreciate each other. So smile, live, laugh and appreciate, empower each other instead of being envious of each other. Be strong, treat everyone with respect, acknowledge each other, love each other. Be women, be strong. Bye bye. Thank you.